I would call some of you to come and identify which case is this. Like it's is a case subjective, objective, or possessive. So who will come first? Yes, you please. Okay, nominate. Okay, you. You is objective case, subjective case, or possessive? Subjective. The other you is, there are two you. So first one is subjective case, the other one is objective or possessive. You have mentioned there the subjective case is this, and this you is also yes. Is she correct? Is she correct, class? Yes, she is correct. Now I would like to call you. Come please. Them. This one. This is a objective case. Good. Yes. You please come. We. This is subjective case. Subjective?
Yes.
Okay, good. You can go. Yes, you. It's. What's your name? Aisha. This is the possessive case. Good. Next, you please. What's your name? Ahsan. Ahsan, can you identify which case is this? Him. Is he correct?
Yes.
Good job. Next, I would like to call the last one. What's your name? Zunaira. Zunaira, come and identify you. The other you is, this one is a subjective, the other you is object. Yes. Very good. Next, I would like to call you. It. Subjective. The other one is, there is also another it. This is very good. Good job. And next I would like to call you. Yes, you. Go. Theirs. Where is theirs? Which case is this?
Possessive.
Possessive case. What's your name?
Bushra.
Bushra. Very good. And I would like to call you. What's your name? Humaira? Okay, Humaira. Ours. Humaira. Is she correct? No? Okay. Humaira, you can go. And you will come. The last. Yes. Hurry up. What's your name, please? Janatul Mawa. Okay. Janatul Mawa. She. Is she correct? No. Very sad and very bad. You go. Yes, you please. No. What's your name? Dua. Dua. Correct this. Ours. Ours. Very good. And next, you Huba, and correct this. She. Yes. What is this?
Subjective.
Subjective case. Very good. And the other one, yes, you please. Yes, what's your name, Abdullah? Okay, you go. Hers. Hers. This one. Is he correct? No. Abdullah, correct this. You will do yourself. Hers. Hers is? Hers. Correct this again. Place the correct card there. What is this? Possessive. This is the possessive case. Possessive. Possessive case. Okay. Good. You can go. Now, the last but not the least. You, please. Him. Yes, him. This one. What's your name? Bisma, very sad. You were not attending the class, you were just busy in drawing an artwork. Right? So this is the main reason you are now doing the wrong work. This is wrong. Who will come to correct her? Yes, you please. This one. What's your name?
Sagir.
Sagir. Sagir Siddiqui?
Muhammad Sagir.
Sagir?
Muhammad.
Muhammad Sagir. You did good job. Clap for him. And now clap for yourself. Now you can go, both of you.